Subscribe to our channel for more information on our software. In this tech tip, we will be exploring how to use ordering in Antero 7. Ordering and receiving is the section of Antero where users can create purchase orders and track and receive the parts ordered. Once completed, the parts ordered are received and the quantities are updated in the parts section of the program. Creating orders is a simple process where users click on the Create icon and select the supplier. In order to deploy ordering, users will need to have set up a supplier list and created the parts that will be ordered in the parts section. Be sure to view our tech tip videos on parts and suppliers prior to creating purchase orders. Once a supplier is selected, a current order date will populate. This date can be modified. Create the order and it will appear in the ordering grid. Order details can be populated for the order. Populate the information for the purchase order. Add any notes. Estimated cost for shipping, tax, and miscellaneous can also be added. Select the shipping and billing address. Addresses are added to the software under the ordering icon and address list. Add as many addresses as necessary. Users can flag default addresses for shipping and billing. Ordered parts are added in the detail panel and pulled from the parts list. Deploy filters and quickly find the parts for the order. Units, item number, and unit cost will populate if they have been defined for that part and supplier. These fields can be modified. Enter the quantity to order. Do this for each part to be added to the purchase order. Once populated, users can print and email the purchase order from the ordering grid. The estimated parts cost will be calculated. Reordered Parts is a feature in Antero 7 where users can set a minimum and maximum quantity for their parts and allow the program to flag parts for reorder when they fall below the minimum quantity. Clicking on the Reordered Parts link will display all parts that are currently below the minimum quantity defined for that part. Users can select parts for reorder and a PO will be generated. Users can group by supplier to create a purchase order for each supplier. If a primary supplier is not defined, one will be selected when creating the order. Purchase orders created will pre-populate the quantity to be ordered based on the maximum quantity set for the part. This can be edited. Receiving parts requires the purchase order to be selected from the grid and clicking on the Receive Parts link. A list for all parts on order will display. A date is required. If only a partial order was received, modify the quantity received. Add any comments. Once a part is fully received, it will be flagged with a green check. When all parts for the order have been received, a green check will indicate the order is complete in the ordering grid. Transactions allow users to view all the activity on a purchase order. Clicking the hyperlink will open the transaction section of Antero. This is also available from the drop-down menu under Ordering. A detailed transaction log will display when the quantities are received. If a transaction for a purchase order needs to be modified, it can be edited from Transactions. Once an order has been flagged as complete, users can close this order by selecting the Close Order link. The status of the PO will change to Closed. To view closed purchase orders, users will need to enable the Show Closed Order option above the grid. All closed purchases will now display in the upper grid and can be viewed, edited, printed, and emailed. Deploy the Date Range Finder to make finding your current and previous purchase orders easier. Be sure to view our other tech tips to learn more about using Antero 7. Visit our website for more information on our software or reach out to us directly.